Hi, welcome to Maths Magic by Robbie. Today we're going to look at how to find square root of a non-perfect square in 5 seconds. First of all, let me explain what a square root is. If it is a perfect square root, you can easily find out. For example, 5 square is 25. Okay, so what is the square root of 25? We write like this: square root of 25 is 5. So that is what square root means. So you can easily find out the square roots if it is a perfect square till 100. So above 100 there's a different way that I will do it in a different video. Here what we are going to look at square roots of non-perfect square. For example, like square root of 12. We don't know, isn't it? It's not a perfect square. How are you going to find that out? Or square root of 23, or square root of 67, like that. So that's what we are going to look at today. So let's take this example anyways. Square root of 12. How do you do it? There's a simple trick to find square root of non-perfect numbers. So we're not going to find exactly the number, but we'll be like an approximation which will be accurately correct. First of all, let's see this number is close to which perfect square. This is close to 3 square and 4 square, that is 9 and 16. So this number comes between 9 and 16. So the answer should be between 3 and 4. Okay. First thing, I think you understood. We can use both numbers. Let me show you how to use 3 and find it. And second example, I will show you how to find 4 and find it. First, if you're using 9, you write the perfect number as 9, 12 as just write 9 plus what is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay. So we know square root of 9 is 3. Okay. Plus the next digit, you just write 3. And you divide that by time, take the double of this number. What is the double of 3? 3 into 2 is 6. Write that here. That will be your answer. Actually, this is an approximation. It's not a perfect answer. We can write approximately. This is, you cancel it, you get half. Half is 0.5. So your answer is something like 3.5. That will be rounded to 1 decimal place. So if you check it, that will be your answer. Instead of finding in a different way, you can use the same rule to find this answer. If you're using 16, you can do it in this way. That is square root of 16 minus what is 12? 16 minus 4 is 12. If you're using that method, then the answer is square root of 16 is 4 minus, you write 4 divided by double of this number. 4 into 2 is 8. Again, 4 minus, you cancel it, you get half. That is 4 minus 0.5, which is also equal to 3.5. That will be your answer. So square root of 12 is approximately equal to 3.5. Let's take another example, that is square root of 28. How will you find it? So 28 is square, which is in between which perfect square? 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. So this is between 25 and 36, which is 5 square, 6 square. So we can use any number. You can use this one or this one. Let's take 25, which is very closer. Whichever number is closer, you take it, that will be easier. So let's take 25. So I'm going to write 28 as 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3 is 28. Then perfect square is 25 is 5. We know that. Plus the next step is 3 divided by double of this number. 5 into 2 is 10. So write like that. So your answer is 5.3 because 3 by 10 is 0.3. So that is your answer. Let's take 93 as an example. How do you do it? This is a bit bigger number. So this is close to 100, isn't it? That means, so this number is between which perfect number squares? That is 9 square and 10 square. That is 81 and 100. So this number is between these two numbers. So what you need to do is, first, let's check. This is closer to this one. So let's take this one this time. 100. So 100. It's not plus, it is minus. 100 minus what is 93? 100 minus 7 is 93. So your answer is square root of 100 is 10 minus 7 divided by double of this number. What is it? 10 times 2 is 20. So you know when 20 is in the denominator, there is an easy way to do it, to make it find the decimal. You multiply that with 5. Okay, so this becomes 100, this becomes 35, 100, 2 decimal places. So 0.35. So 35 divided by 100, move 2 decimal places. So your answer will be 10 minus 0.35, which you can easily find out. 5, 6, 9.65. So this is an approximation. This is the square root of 93 up to 2 decimal places, close to 2 decimal places. So that's how you find square root of numbers. Let me show you a 3-digit number, then I will wind it up. 628. Okay, we know which number is closest to which perfect number. 625. We know that 25 square is 625. Okay, or 26 square. So we can take 625, which is very close. So we can write like this, at 625 plus 3. So 625 is, we know that it is 25 square plus 3 divided by double of 25 is 50. So you get it like this. So approximately your answer will be this. You know how to do this quickly. It's 50. So you times by 2, you get 100. So you move 2 decimal places. This is 6. So 0.06. That will be your answer. Hope you understood today's trick. Try with 3-4 examples so you'll be able to do all your calculations very quickly. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. I will come back with another good trick in my next video. Thank you.